Hello, I'm Dora from Lampack. Today, let me introduce how the disposable cups can be coated and packed into a bag. This is the machine we customized for my customer to pack the disposable cups into a bag with 1 roll and 2 roll. Now let's go to see the details of it. This is the conveyor belt we customized to connect with the front production line. The cups will be fed into here. And there is a pair of sensors to detect the cups. No cups, no counting and packing. And this is the counting part. It will automatically count the target quantity of cups we set on the touch screen and separate for 1 roll. And then the 1 roll of cups will be pushed into this hopper by the cylinder. When we pack 1 roll in 1 bag, it will be feeding alternately, and when we pack 2 rolls in 1 bag, it will be feeding simultaneously. After that, the cups will be packed into a bag by the flow packing machine. This is the finished bag. Okay, if you have any similar requirements, feel free to contact us for the solution. Bye-bye.